Hi, my name is Heather Ford, and I am a traffic attorney out of New Orleans. And today I just want to talk a little bit about what happens if you have forgot about a traffic ticket and a court date, maybe what can happen next. Before I get started, if you ever have any questions, you can always shoot me a text, 504-233-8529, or go to trafficticketlady.com. So let's say that you got a traffic ticket, completely forgot about it, and you stumble upon it in your car and you realize the date was from a couple weeks ago. Maybe it's been a month. And the question now is like, I missed my traffic ticket, now what? What could be the consequences? So usually there's a few things to take consideration. If you miss a court date, the court may issue what they call a bench warrant or attachment for the failure to appear. Some courts will also issue a contempt fine for not making that appearance. And usually other much bigger consequence that sometimes can flow is having your license suspended. So it's not uncommon for me to receive calls from clients saying, hey, I got a letter in the mail saying my license is either pending suspension or actually suspended. And then the other thing that happens sometimes is people don't update their address with the DMV, so they didn't get that notice at all. And the first time they find out their license is suspended is when they get pulled over. Maybe the cop ran their plate and saw that their license was suspended, or maybe they got pulled over for like a speeding ticket, and when they went back and ran their license, turns out that that traffic ticket that they forgot about 3 months ago has now had their license suspended. So now we have to deal with the original ticket, and then you also have to deal with the new ticket, which probably is also going to include a driving while suspended. And at that point, once you receive a ticket for driving while suspended, you really can't pay that ticket anymore. Not that you really should pay any traffic tickets, but especially the driving while suspended, because in Louisiana, if you receive a ticket for driving while suspended and you pay it, which is the same thing as pleading guilty, then the Louisiana OMB will automatically suspend your license for an additional year. So one thing you might want to deal with when you first get a ticket is, if you want to take care of yourself, if it's a simple speeding ticket, you're not driving too fast, hey, just put it on your calendar. But if it's something that you think, well, maybe I can need help with, or I might be out of town, you might just want to hire somebody early on to take care of that ticket so that you don't have to worry about it. Because sometimes what happens is, particularly tickets written by state troopers, can take a very, very long time to enter the system. And so you'll be calling the court, checking on it, trying to see how much it is, when I can pay it. And because that ticket's not there, people just have a tendency to forget about it. And then by the time they look up again, now they've missed their court date. So one thing you could do is just have somebody else be responsible for that court date, be paying attention and keeping you updated what's going on. But if you do ever miss your court date, one of the most important things is going to be to go to court, get a new court date, and actually start the process. The sooner the better. Hopefully you can intervene before maybe your license is suspended, or before they issue the contempt fine. Every court's different. Some do it immediately. Some will give you a couple days, a week, 30 days. That just really varies. If you ever have any questions, I'd be more than happy to help, offer some advice, some thoughts. You can shoot me a text, 504-233-8529, or you can go to trafficticketlady.com. Thank you and have a good day.